online edtech platform and we regularly receive student queries through Google Ads, and you think that I'm just going to manually add all these student leads manually into my CRM, then you are wrong. What I'm just going to do is I've simply created this amazing automation, and whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly a new person will be created right over here in my Pipedrive account, and instantly the student leads will be added to my CRM. So let's see how we can create this amazing automation. So for that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This can get you the maximum amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So first, I'll suggest you try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using this amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. Okay, so now let's just see how this automation can be created. For that, this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Ads. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. We have received the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. In this campaign, you're going to see that I have selected all the details. Now what you have to do is you have to add your lead form in this campaign. So just click on this lead forms and then go on this add lead forms button. Now you just have to choose the questions which you want to ask to your leads right over here. So I'm just going to choose the questions as first name, last name, email, phone number, city, and as you can see that I've successfully selected all the details. Now it is asking me for many another details. So over here, if you want, you can simply select more details to, otherwise leave it as blank and move on further and scroll till you see this lead delivery option. Once you see this, open this and it is asking for the webhook URL and the keys. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow right over here and then enter the key according to your own choice and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent, so let me just open my workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time you're going to capture the response of the test data right over here. As you can see, we have the city, we have the phone, we have the email, the first name and last name. Now you have two options. You can create this automation using the test details and it is going to run perfectly fine for real details too. The second option you have is you can go right over here, click on this recapture webhook response and yes, and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. But for that, make sure that your Google Ads campaign is in live mode. Now I'm just going to use this test details only and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to use Pipedrive because I want to add all the student leads into my Pipedrive. So I'm just going to search for it selected. For the event, I'm just going to select it as create a person and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the API token. So to get this API token, just open your Pipedrive account. Okay, once you open your Pipedrive account, over here from the right hand of the site in the top right corner, you're going to see this. So just click on this and go on this personal preferences, then API, and you're going to find the API token. Just copy the API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste the API token, click on the save and Pipedrive account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After building this creation successfully, you can move on further. It is asking for many details. So one by one you have to enter all of these details, but over here you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. I've mapped this first name, last name. I've selected the label because this is not going to change, so I've selected it manually only. I've entered this phone number, email, and it is asking for many another details, but I'm only going to fill in the details which I have of my lead. If you want to add more details, you can simply add all the details which you have of your lead. In order to map these details, put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. Now after entering all of these details, just click on the save and send test request button and we have received the positive response. It says success true. This means that we've successfully created a new contact, or you can say person in Pipedrive. So let me just open my Pipedrive from the left hand of the side. I'm just going to go to this contact section and you're going to see yes, the new contact is added right over here. Right now we only have a single contact which I added right now, and yes, with this we have successfully completed our automation, and now whenever I'm just going to receive new student leads through Google Ads, instantly the details will be added in my pipe drive. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. And further, if you have any doubts and queries, just drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. Just to let you know that over here, this discount coupon code is for a limited period of time only, and it is going to give you a maximum amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So do try it once. And yes, do try this automation also. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.